Yeah guys, morning. Welcome back to another video. This morning what I'm gonna do, I have some chicken wings. I'm gonna fry some chicken wings and make some coleslaw and fry some plant. You understand what I did? That's how we gonna do this morning guys, yeah. Some fried chicken wings. I'm gonna make some coleslaw and fry some plant. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Soon come back. So guys, yeah, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my chicken to soak. And meantime, I'm gonna make my coleslaw. You understand what I did? So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Be a badness guys. Watch what I go on. Yeah guys, also I have a big pear, see it? Pear big. On the right. So guys, be a badness in the kitchen today. So watch what I go on in Nicholas' kitchen. When you want good food, come in Nicholas' kitchen. Soon come back. What am I gonna do? I go cut up my cabbage and my carrot and I'm gonna see what I go on. I go put my chicken to go and thaw out. You understand how I did? Guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so see my cabbage. Yeah. And my carrot. You understand how I did? So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen this morning. Be a badness guys. Yeah guys, be a badness. Guys, when you come in Nicholas' kitchen, be a bad food. You understand how we make some bad coleslaw this morning. I not put no sugar and everything like how I see some people use, what they use enough for them. Watch what I use in my one. You understand how I did? Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so look what I go on in the base. Yeah, I go grate out my carrot now. And my cabbage. And I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, when you come in a Nicholas' kitchen, I'll be a badness. Yeah, so I go grate out my carrot and my cabbage. I'm gonna see what I go on, guys. And please remember, like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. As a video drop, you have it. Yeah guys, so watch your badness in the kitchen now. Yeah guys, so I go grate out my carrot and my cabbage. Meantime, my chicken at thaw out for fry. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness guys, when I come in Nicholas' kitchen, I'll be a badness. Believe that. Mr. Andrew Holness, now I say this to you now. I want you to believe this. These people are a biggest enemy. Remember me tell you that in the Caribbean. You might not know, me I tell you. Yeah, I want you to believe that. These people do not like Jamaican. Matter of fact, they don't like foreigner. You understand what I did? But Mr. Andrew, one thing I tell you. I beg you, please, just take me out of a dunks class. You see, dunks class, I mean, too much dunks people in it. So guess what? I beg you, please, you take me out of it. You understand what I did? Because right now, I do my video and they have me in a court and I go tell me about me can't post no video on no YouTube. Like YouTube, I feel them, that's why I put out a video and I ask you if a Grenadian invent social media. Mr. Andrew Holness, these people don't like Jamaican. You understand? A lot of Jamaican there, so. I mean, know them are be stupidness them I go through right now. Me I tell you that. And I tell you again, Mr. Andrew, these people are the biggest enemy in the Caribbean when you believe that. Guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. I go back a court the 23rd of November. There's 2 charges against me we don't know about. People wanna watch what go on. Guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness, Mr. Andrew Holness. I say it again. When you take me out of that dance class, yeah. You understand me, I did? Yeah. Too much dunks people in that class and I can't stay here, so boss. Believe that. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on and now, my great topic. Cabbage. Be a badness guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Mr. Andrew, believe this. Me make me video and carry me food go work. And man, pan the work, I cuss me over my food. Mr. Andrew, you see the Jamaican with them kill up here. I'm on jerk chicken them kill him for year. Man, you believe that kill him man for jerk chicken. But Mr. Andrew, God not sleep. God not sleeping. These people are wicked. Remember me tell you, no matter how good what you do, you no do. So guess what? Me I tell you, don't do. And you have a lot of them. I got Yui at Jamaica. Enough of them get scholarship if you go Jamaica. Boss, you know what you do. Them the like we. Yeah guys, so look what go on in our base now over here so. Yeah, I go grate a piece more of cabbage. I'm gonna sew on. Guys, that be a badness in our kitchen, that be a badness. You can't stop this. Alright, that be a badness. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Nah, make them cheat me and kill me. No way, you must say. Life are the greatest thing that now make them treat me and kill me. No way you must see. Life are the greatest thing that you let go and you let my God. For me energy them want to eat. See, there say them are mangoes. Guys, be about this in our kitchen. Just stay tuned for the finishing look. And the coleslaw, the fried chicken, and the fried plantain, guys. Be about this, guys. Be about this. Guys, be things are gone, guys. Be things are gone. Be things. Guys. It's the same like how them kill the Jamaican man for them chicken, chicken. Same way. They want to kill me for my YouTube channel. Because they tell me, oh, me shouldn't post nothing on YouTube. YouTube are for Grenadian. Social media are for Grenadian. Come on, man. Guys, watch what go on in our kitchen. Yeah. See what go on over here, son? Yeah. Guys, remember this. Jamaican people want to remember this. Them kill a Jamaican for chicken. You understand what I did? And everything me I do on social media, it's a problem to them. So guess what? You see, if them can't stop me from the social media, them are going to want to kill me. But guys, them can't kill me. Me not afraid of them. Alright, guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on in the base. I go put the mayonnaise on. You understand how I do it, guys? Watch your badness. Yeah guys, so this is my coleslaw. You understand how I did? So I'm going to put them in the fridge. I'm going to fry my chicken them now. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a fried chicken wings, and a coleslaw, and a fried plant. Guys, you have a big pear too. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, as you can see, this are the mayonnaise when we use. You understand how I did? I'm going to put certain things in the coleslaw like how I see some people put a bag of things. No, the good. You understand how I did? Guys, watch what go on. Be a badness. I'm going to fry some chicken now. So watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so finish clean up my chicken. So them clean and pretty. Yeah, I'm going to throw some chicken season. And hard purpose, season up the chicken, I'm gonna see what I've done. The overs, yeah. I use 2 different chicken season, 2 different hard purpose. Guys, I be a badness. So I want chicken hard purpose. Chicken hard purpose. Yeah guys, so you don't know about badness. So let me tell them, every night before me sleep, me pray Lord my soul to keep when wicked people. Yeah, that was every night before me sleep. Me pray Lord my soul to keep when wicked people them a roam the street. My life them want delete, but Jah know. I guess how we do we chant a psalms for the them. We don't want a friend from them. You see how far we are stay from them. Guys, big up on yourself. Right, I want to always watch my video them to see what I want. Understand how I did? Yeah, you don't know about this go. Send me chant a psalms to the them. I mean I want a friend from them. Me see how far we are stay from them. Send me chant a psalms to the them. I mean I want a friend from them. Me see how far. You see how far. You better know that. Yeah guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Don't know badness go. You don't know the badness. Yeah guys, some bad fried chicken. See me make the coleslaw already. And some bad fried plant guys. Remember me tell you. You see you over there so where I watch my video and I long up your face. Me nah give you none. Go for your own. Stop bad mind if you for me own. Alright. Me always I go for my own. Go for your own. Stop bad mind if you my own. Remember me tell you that. Guys, you don't have to put no salt on this. You understand how it is because seasoning have a lot of salt. Over, yeah. So guys, what I'm going to do, I make this one soak a little. I will sprinkle some flour on it and make it go and soak. Guys, you see my cooking and people cooking are 2 different cooking. You understand how I did? Yeah, I want to watch the video of them and see how I deal with my thing. Different from other people. You understand how I did? Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen and I'm not lying to tell you, Yeah guys, so now some flour. I will sprinkle some flour over my chicken guys. Not too much flour. You understand how I did? Yeah. Just want some flour on it. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen, you know. Yeah. Don't know where thing go. Soon come back, guys. I'm gonna light up my stove. Put on the oil, make the oil go on hot. You understand what I did? Meantime, the chicken are going to soak. Yeah, guys. I don't know about this go. So, guys, I'm going to do now light up the stove. I'm making a sew go on in the kitchen. Yeah, guys. So, watch what go on in the kitchen, guys. Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to use a small Dutch here and fry my chicken. You understand what I did? Yeah, guys. So, guys, watch your badness. And please like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell as a video drop. You grab it. Guys, I'll be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so me pot hot. What am I gonna do? Go throw some oil. And I'm gonna see what I want in the kitchen. Guys, I'll be a badness in Nicola's kitchen and I'm not like it alone, you know. I'll do some bad fried chicken wings, coleslaw, and some fried plantain, guys. The overs, yeah. I'm not lie if you tell you guys, I'll be a badness. Guys, see me planting them. Get the planting them well ripe up. You understand what I did? Yeah, I'm gonna fry the planting them last. I fry my chicken first. Or me use the next Dutch pot, the next frying pan, and fry my planting, guys. Yeah, and that I'm gonna do. Meantime, my chicken are frying on this. I'm gonna use the other frying pan, fry my chicken. Guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put in some chicken to go and fry. Guys, I don't know the badness going on. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna peel up some plantain and I'm gonna sew a go on. You understand how these? Yeah. The plantain, guys. Plant them well right. The overs, plant them well right, guys. Well right. So I'm gonna do it like this, guys. Not just gonna cut them in a two. Yeah, but one planting in a four. You understand how they do? One planting, guys, in four. Yeah, guys, so this is my planting. You understand how they do? Yeah, guys, so the chicken are going to fry. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fry the planting in another frying pan. You understand how they do? So, guys, watch what go on in our kitchen. Be about this in our kitchen, guys. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up the next part of stove. I'm going to sew go on. Fry up the planting and I'm going to sew go on in our kitchen. You understand how they do? So, guys, stay tuned. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, as I can see over here, stove light up. You understand all these, make the oil go on hot, because I have oil in the pot already. I don't need no more oil, because the plant, you know, say, right plant, easy to try. You understand all these, guys, when you watch that video, Be about this in the kitchen. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. You understand now the phone come back guys. I'm gonna show you what I want in my kitchen. Yeah, Jenko people. So I going over here so. My coleslaw, my fried chicken wings, my pear, and my fried plantain guys. So this is the finishing look. Guys, I'm out. I don't need any more mayonnaise on my chicken. You understand me? I don't need no ketchup right now. Me good. So same way I go eat this guys. I don't know the badness setup. I'm out guys. See you in our next video. Yeah guys, be a badness.